Hello and welcome back to Fungi Town's YouTube channel. Last year, I took a trip from Athens, Georgia to Philadelphia, PA to attend the Podcast Movement Convention, where I met lots of really cool people and got to see NPR's Terry Gross, who was the keynote speaker. I also visited Sister Cities Park, and I filmed an unboxing video for you. So please sit back and enjoy.
I'm here in what I think is Sister Cities Park. You may not be able to hear me because of the fountain in the background and the kids playing in the fountain and probably the traffic. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox the second little hamster mushroom here, and we'll take a look. Last time I got this guy. Hopefully we'll get a different one this time. Let's take a look. Opening with one hand is a bit of a challenge. Oh, better than last time. Okay. And the big reveal. Pick up your trash. Thanks for tuning in, and next time we'll open another mushroom box.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review of the podcast on iTunes, and visit the show's website at fungitown.org. Thanks!